Hello, good day. Let's look at these questions. Though it involve trigonometry and it also uh, is simultaneous equations. As you can see here, this is sum of angles for both sides. Some are difference of angle from both sides. But here we're asked to find the value of x and y associated with this expression. Okay, all we need to do, we have to look for sine inverse. Here, we need to eliminate sine by looking at the sine inverse of 1. Similarly, in equation 2, we have to look for the cos inverse of half here. And that can simply be achieved by saying that from equation 1, sine negative is sine inverse of what we have here, which is 1, sine inverse of 1, sine inverse of 1, okay, sine inverse of 1 on the right hand side. So this become x plus y is equal to sine inverse of 1. This is our, okay, this is now equation 3. All right. Okay, similarly, we will also have an expression for cos inverse. So here we have a x minus y is equal to cos inverse of minus, okay, here we have half, so it becomes cos inverse of half okay. Now if we look at from our table, you see sine inverse of 1 is 90. So it is 90 degrees that will give you, that gives sine 1. So similarly, sine inverse of 1 is 90 degrees. Similarly, cos inverse of half is 60. It is cos 60 that gives half. So here our equation becomes x plus y is equal to 90 degrees, which is 90, and here x minus y is equal to 60. Okay, now we have been able to obtain our equation. So here, let's name this one as equation 4. This one is equation 4, 3. Again, repeat it, equation 4. Okay, now we can now have a simultaneous equation that can easily be resolved. If you look at equation 1, the coefficient of x and of s in equation 1 and equation 2 is 1, and that of y in equation 1 and equation 2 is also 1. But here we see different sign, negative, positive, negative. So all we need to do, we just add equation 1 and 2. So we add equation 1 and equation 2. And if that is done, here this become 2x is equal to 90 plus 60, that gives 150. Okay, then divide both sides by 2. S is equal to 75. Okay, so S is 75 degree. S is 75. S is 75 degree. Okay, now having obtained the value of x, we can easily use either of the equation to obtain the value of y. So from equation 3, we can express y. Y is equal to 90 minus 75. So that the value of y is equal to 15. So therefore, s is s is 75 degree, while y is 15 degree. Okay, so these are the two values of s and y in this equation. Please have a nice time. See you in my next virtual class.